So yes, form is out on this 5th of March and they will continue till 13th of April. Major in Geology introduced as a part of regular 5-year BSMS in IISER Mohali. So class 12th examination either in 2024, 2025, 2026 or appearing. So it will be CBT mode. You'll be getting the center. You have to appear there. You have to reach your center on 7th of the June. So yes, they are very reputed institute. For that, you have to appear for the IAT exam. So let's see. Hello students. Today we will discuss about the IISER aptitude test. So yes, form is out this 5th of March and they will continue till 13th of April. So if you are interested taking admission in IISER or IISc Bangalore BSMS courses or IIT BS Biomedical Sciences, then you Biomedical Sciences, and they have really good scope. They have really good placements. And if you are so much interested in the research, so students give preference to the IISc Bangalore over IITs also. So yes, they are very reputed institute. For that, you have to appear for the IAT exam. So let's see. IISER aptitude exam. The date for this IISER aptitude is 7th June, 9 a.m. to 12 noon. And all these courses are new. So they have the BSMS courses in all the IISER, even IISc also take admission through the IAT exam. 5 years BSMS in natural sciences. You have computational and data sciences, which has very good scope and the flourish future. Major in Geology introduced as a part of regular 5-year BSMS in IISER Mohali. Environmental sciences introduced as a part of regular 5-year BSMS in IISER Mohali, and then they have economic sciences, economic stat sciences, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, data science, and so yes, they do have the BTech courses also, which has very amazing placement. Now you can see the brochure for 2026, where all the informations given regarding the IIT exam. So you have to visit this website. They have mentioned this website here. Next, if you see criteria, and we will discuss everything here. So you can see all these courses are there. These are the academic programs in different IISER. And they have these eligibility criteria where they have mentioned Indian nationals, OCI, PIO, foreign national. So students across the Gulf country, they have the Indian nationality. They can also go for these exam. Candidate must have passed the qualifying examination. So class 12th examination either in 2024, 2025, 2026 or appearing, 2026 appearing. So if you have completed your 12th before 2024, like in 2023, you are not eligible. So students who have done their 12th in 2024, 2025 and 2026 who are appearing this year, they can go for this exam. Next, when you see foreign nationals who have passed the qualifying exam either in 2024, 2025, 2026 or appearing in 2026 need to upload or equivalent certificate issued by the Association of Indian Universities unless they have passed the qualifying examination in 24, 25, 26 from any board recognized by the CUBSE and AICT or State Board of Technical Education in India. So this is for the NRI. And there is the special instruction for the students, Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh student, because their 12th basically completed 1 year before, like in the winter season. So they can appear, if they have passed their 12th exam in 2023 winter session, so they can go for the 2024. So that is exception for the Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh student. So they have mentioned it here in the note. Next, if you see the procedure of the exam, so you have to go for the IIT exam and then you have to fill all these data which they have mentioned. So this is the full process, how you have to go, and this is the exam date. So it will be CBT mode. You'll be getting the center. You have to appear there. You have to reach your center on 7th of the June. Will be conducted at 9 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Performance criteria and qualifying examination. So they have mentioned all this performance criteria. You can just see this. Then they have given about the reservation of the seats in different categories. So if you're in these categories, you can see the reservation. You are getting the reservation also. Person with these PWD, they also Kashmiri migrant, Kashmiri Pandit, Kashmiri Hindu families, non-migrant living in Kashmir Valley, 3 seats per IISER. So that is like good reservation for them. Next, EWS category also have this reservation. So that's about the PWD student. So if you want any script, so they have mentioned all the data over here. What is important? All documents that you need. So when we see what all documents, okay, this is for the OCI PIO students. This is for the foreign nationals, what all they need. So you can go through this if you are in the NRI category or you are in the USI category or foreign nationals. So online application begin 5th March. You have to visit this website, and online application will close on 13th of April. So those students who are in the 12th class, share the science 12th class PCM, PCB or PCMB, they can appear for this exam. This is the fee. Okay, so this is the fee, 2,000 for all these category, 1,000 for these people, and 1,200 for the 12,000 for the candidates applying under foreign national category. This fee would be non-refundable because this is the registration fee. This is about the seat acceptance fee after your result. If you get the seat, this is the seat acceptance fee that will be adjusted in your fee of that year. Document required, so you need all the documents, all those documents which you used in your NEET exam also. So this is the photograph, signature, they have written the sizes also. Photo identity card, caste certificate, 10th mark sheet, 12th or qualifying examination mark sheet. If you have already qualified in 24, 25, then you have to show this. PWD certificate, Kashmiri migrant certificate, OCI PIO foreign nationals if you are appearing in this category, NRI category. All other certificates or forms that is applicable. Next is important, these number of the seats in different colleges of IISER you can see. So total 300 seats are there in the IISER, and then they have mentioned, okay, so here they have 2,043 seats in BSMS program, and in the BTech program they have 300 seats. So if you have under 5,000 rank, then you are safe to secure admission in these courses. Even some of the newest IISER taking admission in, like this year, the cutoff was around 9,000, 8,700 something. So around 9,000 if you have rank, you'll be getting some courses, but in not so renowned IISER. So just aim for this under 5,000 rank. Even let me tell you that those students who are in the PCB or PCM or have the PCMB, in their exam, they will be getting all the 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. So suppose you are the mathematics PCM student and you have some idea about the biology question, make sure you attempt them. Or you solve previous year question, which is already there in the website. So if you go to their website, they already have shared it here, previous year question papers. So you can download and start practicing it before your exam. It's in the June, so you still have good time. Okay, so this is the date. Application started today, then it will be closes this April 13. Correction application form from April 16 to April 18. Hall ticket release, that means your admit card will be released in May 24. IISER aptitude test will be 7 June. And then your answer key display will be same day. Upload of student response form June 9. Portal open for filling objections 9. Portal closes for filling objection if you have any objection in the answer key. So window for the selective information June 13 to 21. Last day for selected documents upload and all 21 June, and then they will inform you other dates of the counseling and the admission. So that's about and they have given this full admission process. What is the criteria, even after result, how you exactly have to secure your seat for the counseling, how do you have to appear for the counseling. And in this using IIT, I told you that you can even take the admission in the IISc Bangalore and also IIT Madras in the BS Biomedical Science, and in the IISc Bangalore, BS MS Natural Sciences, and which is one of the best institute for the research. And researchers always have the good scope. Even it opened because this is one of the renowned premium institute which opened the door for the Oxford University or other renowned Ivy League type of universities if you want to go for the research ahead. So yes, you have a lot of benefit. Withdrawal process. Okay, so you can just read all this in the info bulletin, which is there in the website, which I already have shown you. That is in this website, iiseradmission.in. .in. So there you will get this information bulletin. And next is they have mentioned all the like questions. You will be getting 60 questions, 15 from biology, 15 from physics, 15 from chemistry, 15 from mathematics. Correct answer 4 marks, and for incorrect -1. If question unanswered, 0 marks. You won't be getting any marks for that. And maximum marks will be 240. From the 240, you'll be getting this marks. Will be considered for preparing the IIT 2026 rank list. Question paper and the mock test is available, so you can prepare them. Mode of examination will be CBT based. Okay, all the towns and the cities where IIT center will be there would be there. So they have mentioned all those. Other institute using IIT score. So I told you that it's IIT Bangalore, IC Bangalore for the BS. And for this IIT Institute BS, IIT Madras for the BS Biomedical Sciences, and BS program on the Biomedical Sciences, again in IIT Guwahati. Integrated Bachelor Masters in Science in the in this Indian Association of Cultivation of Science, Kolkata. And then you will be getting BSMS Chemistry, Physics, Applied Geology in Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Jaipur. So all these institute also taking admission using the IIT score. So if you have good marks, you can apply in these courses in different institutes. Important conditions. So you can go through this. Again, they have given some information regarding the different things. So syllabus for the physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, it will be totally NCERT based. You can see this is from the living world. Okay, this is the biology syllabus, 11th class portion and 12th class portion, NCERT based. Same, you can see the chemistry, 11th and 12th. Next, they have this physics. So you can check physics. It's all given in their info bulletin. And same goes with the mathematics. So in case you have any doubt, you can write down it in the comment box. Okay, and we will be bringing a lot of the videos regarding such exams after scopes after 12th, amazing scopes after 12th exam, after 12th class, NEET and JEE and CBSE, even your 9th and 10th classes. So stay connected with us for such more video. Share this video with those students who are in the 12th class and they want to prepare for the IIT and want to appear for this exam. Stay connected. Have a great day.